Hey everyone. So previous month we've done Poison Projectile, and this month patrons voted for the Frost Projectile. So I'm just gonna explore in this month how we're gonna approach the Frost Projectile. We're gonna create some meshes using Houdini and VDBs to generate nice looking meshes. I'm gonna talk about the UVs as well, and then we're gonna dive into the Unreal Engine and Unity to know more about how to make this kind of projectile that you see on my screen. So let me break this down for you now. So now I'm just gonna turn the elements one by one just to break it down for you so we can get better understanding what we'll be creating this month on Patreon. So here you can see we've got this very soft frosty mist that's gonna follow the projectile. Here those are just a tiny little sparks as an indication and adding a little bit more details to the projectile. A very soft trail as well, and this is what we're actually going to be creating in Substance. Also, I want to go back to this because we will be creating texture for those as well. Okay, the next is actually this double trail. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this trail that we already made. We're going to make a couple modifications to the material, and hopefully we're going to end up with this exact double trail. This is slightly large dust, and then we're gonna just add some noise to it. And projectile itself, let me just turn off velocity, and this is the mesh that we're gonna be creating in Houdini. Okay, we're gonna create second UV channel as well to get this glow at the front. We're actually going to create two of those in Houdini, so you can basically pick if you want one that's got less details. Let me slow down the rotation. We can actually take a closer look how it looks in the engine. Okay, so this is the main projectile, and then we're just gonna use this as our base for the Frozen or Frost spell. Okay, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. I really enjoyed making the Poison Projectile. This is the next iteration, I would say, and hopefully we're gonna keep exploring Projectile because it seems like there is a few more elements that we could look into it. Anyway, thank you so much for your support, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this month's content.